Man, me have a friend in a man. Yeah man, married friend named Dexter and teach me say anytime you put in salt in the pot, if you don't want the salt to corn or the pot to be over salt, throw in your hand maker. And me prove that to be true. So we have the best salt in our world right here, so named Celtic salt with over 82 mineral, especially magnesium. Without magnesium, the bone cannot accumulate calcium carbonate. Alright, here goes. See it here, and we don't want to overdo it with the salt here because the salt here strong, you know. Better we test it pot afterwards, you know, and do it little. See it there? Salt gone in a pot. See the real spoon fork here, we make out our guava. How dear man, see it there? No normal you're saying, brother. Why? Oh, why? Come on, Pat. Did you have to see, man? Na na na. Yo, dear man, yo, everything nice outside.